Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wide handbag. So let's get started. And I'm going to start with a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 30. Okay, I have chained 30. Now I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to double crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. So double crochet in each stitch all the way across the chain. Okay, I double crocheted in each stitch across the row, and I have 28 double crochet with this beginning chain taking the place of a double crochet. So now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And I'm going to double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. And in the next stitch, I'm going to make a front post double crochet. So to do that, yarn around the hook, insert from the front under the post of the double crochet, and then complete my double crochet. And continue across the row, double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3, front post double crochet. And continue across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and work back across the row, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. And now in the next stitch I'm going to make a back post because I want all the posts to be on the outside. So I'm going to go around the post of the double crochet from the back, and that is a back post double crochet. So back post double crochet. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, back post double crochet. Double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, and back post double crochet. Repeat that across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and this is the front, and so you can see that the posts are all on this side. So for the next row, I'm going to chain 2 and turn, double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and the post is on the front, so I'm going to make a front post double crochet. And for the remainder of the pattern, you repeat these 2 rows. This row will be the front post on the front, and then the next row, when you work back across, you'll work a back post so that all the posts are on the front of the bag. Front post. And you'll work like that back and forth until the work is long enough that you can fold it in half. like that. You'll have a long section that looks like a scarf. You'll fold it in half like that and sew down the two sides with a yarn needle and yarn, or you could slip stitch the two sides closed as well. And for this bag, I use these bag handles. I pulled the work through the slit there, and then just sew across with a needle and yarn to attach it. I made a ribbon bow, and I sewed a button in the center, and on each of the ends I passed a bead, and now I can sew that on the front of the bag. And that's how easy it is to make this crochet handbag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.